Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with another new video. I hope you all are fine and doing great. While if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. It really gives me motivation to upload more videos or content when there are subscribers or views on my videos. In today's video, we will shortly discuss about placebo effect, which is commonly used in medical or psychological treatment, and we will relate this topic with psychotherapy. Means you can understand it by saying that placebo effect in psychotherapy. If we simply define it, we can say that placebo effect is a phenomena where people report real improvement after taking a fake or non-existing treatment called placebo effect. In other words, a placebo is an inactive substance or action that resembles a drug or medical treatment. You can simply call it a dummy treatment, means a fake treatment. The idea that your brain can convince your body a fake treatment in the real thing. In clinical practices, it is really effective. For example, from a real life example, depression, pain, fatigue, anxiety, allergies are just a few of the conditions that respond positively to placebos. Here, if we shortly recall its historical overview, the first scientific demonstration of the placebo effect came in 1799, but in medical terms or in practices, Henry K. Beecher in 1955 published the classic work entitled The Placebo Effect, The Powerful Placebo. The classic work entitled Powerful Placebo. Beecher was the first scientist to quantify the placebo effect. Henry Beecher discovered the placebo effect as a medic in World War II. If you recall the era of World War One and Two, then 1955 is the post World War II era where Henry Beecher discovered the placebo effect as a medic for the wounded soldiers. After running out of painkiller substances, morphine, he replaced it with a simple saline solution, but continued telling the wounded soldiers it was morphine just to calm them. Means he was using simple saline solution, and it was replaced with morphine, which was a painkiller substance. And he told all the wounded soldiers that it is a morphine which you are taking so that they can feel calm. And this is how the placebo effect works, means that your brain convince your body on a fake treatment that it is a real treatment or a real thing. Similarly, in psychotherapy, placebo effect is used sometimes. For example, when a patient reports that I am suffering with depression or I am depressed or I am psychologically ill, whereas there is no symptoms or severity index is found in uh, psychological testing, etc. Then he or she is treated on placebo effect, and patient really feels recovered or by saying that since the day I am taking this medicine or capsule or injection, I am feeling so well, whereas he is on placebo effect. It is really helpful in some conditions for some patients. Let's end this video. Share this concept with your other fellows. Like this video and press the bell icon. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.